Hey, this is Dr. Mike Danahay, Dental Innovations here in Omaha. Just kind of want to talk briefly about a new dental procedure or new dental system that we're implementing in the office. I just got back from a 3-day course in Chicago and learned about 6-month smiles. It's a short-term orthodontic system for focused towards adults that either have had ortho in the past and they've had some teeth kind of relapse, or that were proposed to have orthodontics growing up as a teenager or in their 20s and just refused it for one reason or the other. Either didn't want to have braces on for 18 months or 24 months, or didn't want to have the metal braces and brackets. 6-month smile is a great alternative. Nice thing about it is you can have straight teeth in 6 months, so you can have a nice straight smile by the time your next cleaning comes around. It utilizes clear brackets as well as tooth-colored wires, and so everything's extremely aesthetic and cosmetic. And with some new technology in the bracketing and the wiring, we're able to kind of get tooth positionings, alignment, and stuff like that. Really, really favorable. Pretty surprised sitting through the course, some of the cases and some of the results they got out of the cases as far as teeth alignment. You know, you look at a before picture and you're like, wow, that can't get done in 6 months or 9 months, and then sure enough they show the after picture, and it's pretty impressive what can be accomplished. They've had cases be accomplished in the minimum is 3 months, all the way up to 9 months is the longest case. 9 months is if there's some spacing issues and you're trying to pull teeth together. It takes a little bit extra time. Having a free consultation, we're offering free consultations to see if you're a candidate for it. We've had a lot of patients already inquire about it and are interested in it, and we're actually getting started on a couple cases here shortly. Extremely simple procedure. Take some molds, some models of your teeth the first appointment. Next appointment you come in, it's called your braces on appointment. We're actually putting the brackets on, the banding on, and then all you have to do is come and visit me every 4 weeks for a little adjustment on some of the bracketing and wires and stuff like that. And you'll slowly start to kind of see the teeth take new shape and transformation, kind of reestablish some bite, make things straighter, smile prettier, etc. As the case goes along, we're able to kind of determine how long it'll take. Like I said, average is about 6 months. When it's all done, we put some permanent retention in, whether that's the form of a retainer that's bonded to your teeth or a removable retainer that you wear to bed at night. With any tooth movement, any orthodontic movement whatsoever, the key is having some retention after treatment to kind of keep the teeth where they're at so you don't have that relapse into their original positioning. One of the more common questions asked so far is, if you're moving these teeth in 6 months, how uncomfortable is it? No more uncomfortable than just having regular braces put on or going through like Invisalign. This is also a really good alternative to patients that have already had Invisalign that didn't get the desired results, or the last kind of final tooth tweaking and stuff like that with the clear aligners. But there's really not a whole lot of discomfort, but anytime there is some tooth movement, there's a little bit of discomfort involved. But spread out over the course of all the teeth with the wiring and the brackets and stuff, it kind of helps minimize that. Great option. Like I said, I'm really excited to get it implemented into the office here and start utilizing it on patients. Had a really good demand for it so far, and patients asking about it. So like I said, we're doing free consultations. Just come in, if you're interested in it, we'll talk to you about the procedure, show you some before and after pictures, and then see if you're a candidate and see if it's something that you'd be interested in. Once again, this is Mike Danahay with Dental Innovations. Check us out on our website. It's www.dentistry.omaha.com. Also, don't be afraid to like us on Facebook. Dental Innovations Omaha on Facebook would be great. If you have any questions, feel free to call the office as well as 402-614-6300. This is Mike Danahay with Dental Innovations, where acceptable becomes exceptional.